yung kapatid ko, guys. Ayan. And also, my kapatid. Hi! So, habang hinihintay po natin sila Hannah, Amton, Judy, and Bian. So, mag-vlog muna ako dito, guys. Ayan na po ang pagkain namin, guys. So, bakit wala ng tubig? So, lagyan mo ng tubig. Oo. Pika, Choi Noy, may minam. Hay, anyalaya. Yang may Chay. Ayan na po, guys. Muntik na pong masunog, guys. Kaya papalitan na po niya, guys. Palitan mo nga yan. Oh my God! Napakainit talaga. So, masarap ba ang pagkain na dito? So, ayan. Super ganda kaya talaga niyo dito. O, diba? Okay. So, syempre, mamaya pa po ang cake ilabas. Pagdating nila. Tama po ba? Sige. So, ayan na po yung drinks natin. Nakakalasing po yan. Do you have some message, Pamangkin? What's your message to your uncle?
Of course, good health and forever companion. Soon, unta ka na ugutan, mag-take care sa iyaha, mag-love sa iyaha. Na lang.
Thank you so much. Sana po makahanap na po ako ng jowa. What about you, Sister Agnes? So do you have some message? Or birthday greetings to your napakagandang Jusa na kapatid?
Filipino, so I will speak Filipino language.
Alright.
So, my message for you is padayon, paglingon sa imong lawas, of course, pag-init sa mga dili angay kaunon, and then more blessing come and pagkadagang pag-blessing, more share water.
Thank you! So ngayon, syempre, hindi lang yung isang kapatid ko ang magbigay ng mensahe. Syempre, si Aisa din magbigay din sa akin ng napakagandang mensahe. Wala, hindi ka pa prepared?
I'm not prepared, but actually,
Okay.
just only short message. So stay humble, and then I hope you can able to achieve or garner everything that you want from your life. And aside from that one, sana mamonetize na yung YouTube mo.
Wow! Sana po!
More takinan, more mukha.
Exactly! That's
Sila.
one of my greatest dreams
Sila,
as
sila,
well.
subscribe na.
Okay! Andito na ba yung mga friendship ko? Malapit na pa sa dito.
Wow!
So, ayan. So, mamaya, andito prepared na po. Yesterday. Hi! Sakto lang. Pinaghandaan niya. Ayan na po si Hannah. Kararating lang po. Live na live po tayo ngayon. Hi, Dian. Thank you. Hi, Amdo.
Hello, happy birthday!
And hi, Judy. You're so excited kasi you're going back to the Philippines. Ayan na po si Hannah, guys. Napaka-fresh. Super fresh talaga. Nang lamang talaga siya. Pero kung gusto yung pagkain na, kumuha kayo doon, ha? Okay. So, what is your message?
Yay, happy birthday!
Practice pa lang to, ha? Mamaya pa ang finale. Okay, what's your birthday message?
Many more birthdays to come. Stay healthy always, and saan pa tayo? More power.
More powers. I love it. Bian, what's your birthday message to your Tita Angel?
Naanot.
Hi, happy birthday, Ate Angel. This precious on your birthday.
Thank you so much. Of course, hindi magpakabog si Hannah. O, syempre. Nang lamang ka ng outfit, nakakulay green ka ngayon.
Happy birthday!
Mag-wish ka muna bago magkanta.
Kanta gagawin na mag-wish.
Later, kasi kukunin pa yung cake.
Happy birthday!
Thank you so much. I love you too. Ayan, napakaganda po talaga. So ngayon guys, kukunin ko na yung cake. Kunin ko na yung cake, no, para meron tayo picture yan. Later na lang, kuha muna kayo ng pagkain. I-upload ko muna to. Sige. Thank you so much. All I can say, thank you so much, Father God, especially for the gift of life and for all the blessings that you bestowed on my life. And I hope that all my dreams, hopes, and prayers will be come true. Thank you so much, Mama Annie. So I hope that you always guide me and you always protect me on my journey.